Hi, so welcome to novice.academy. So on today's video, we're going to see how to download a VPN and what is a VPN and why use a VPN. So first, a VPN is a virtual private network and it is used to protect your data. So when you are browsing onto the web, you are using a server and people can intercept your data and all your banking information that your exchanges or all personal information. So using a VPN allows you to hide all this private information into using a virtual private network. So this is why it is highly recommended to use a VPN when you browse, especially when you're on public networks. So we're going to see now how to use a VPN. So first you're going to go to a browser. There's a lot of VPN to be used. I personally like nordvpn.com. So here you can see that they have deals. Right now they do $371 per month for 2 years. So we're going to subscribe to this offer. And we're going to click to continue to payment. We're not going to choose add-ons. You can if you want. If you have more budget, you can add NordPass or NordLocker. So NordLocker is to save to your cloud all your files. And NordPass is to save your passwords. So right now I'm going to go ahead without them. And here are the different methods of payment. So you can pay by credit card, Google Pay, Amazon Pay, ACH transfer, cryptocurrency, or Union Pay. I'm personally going to pay with credit cards. So you will see the total is $96. Asks you for your country, zip code. So they still remind you if you want to add NordPass or NordLocker. I said no. And here you're going to create an account. So you're going to put your name, your payment information, and you're going to click on continue. And the payment was successful. So here you have a link with get started with NordVPN. And here you're going to log in. So here you're going to use the email that you registered with. You're going to register a password. I get to the home page to logging into my account, and I will check my email to make sure that my account has been created. So here I see that I received an email from them with the welcome email, and they advise me to download the app. So I'm just going to click on download. And here I have the link to download the application. So I'm going to click on it. So this is the download link for Windows. And I will show you also for Mac how it works. So I have the download bar, processing bar happening here. And I will go into my folder download to go get my execution file to launch the app. So here I go to my downloads and I see that I have the execution file here. So I'm going to double click on it to launch it. So here it would ask me, as usual, when I want to install a new application on my computer, if I want to allow this app to make changes to my device. So I click yes. And now we are proceeding to the installation of the application. So I'll click next. No, I don't want a desktop. I don't want a shortcut on my desktop. On my start menu, yes. Next. Install. And here I have my progress bar. And here I'm going to click on finish to launch NordVPN. Oh, so it did not launch it, so I'm going to go into my Windows Explorer icon and go look for it. NordVPN, so it's under NordSec. It launched it by itself. So here I'm going to sign up with the email that I registered with and the password that I created. So here I have introducing CyberSec, turn on CyberSec, you will be from now on, give comprehensive protection, phishing. So yes, turn on CyberSec. So this is the application of NordVPN. So here I could sign in from any country that I want. So I could sign in from, I don't know, where can we want to go? Sweden, for example. So up is going to look for an IP in Sweden. And here we go. I see that here I have a message saying my NordVPN connected to Sweden. And now my IP address is protected. So that's just what you have to do. And now for every browsing that I will do, my IP will always be protected, and so will be my data. And you can just minimize it. You don't have to worry about anything, and you can just browse as usual to your favorite websites and do your researches and so on. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget, as usual, to subscribe to novice.academy. Thank you.